Hello, viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. It's most important for the start of a work on the Upwork platform. This is a genuine website for online work. Today, I will discuss the topic Upwork Policies 2023. Introduction. Our work's policies are designed to create a safe and fair environment for freelancers and clients. These policies cover a wide range of topics, including payment, communications, and project requirements. By agreeing to these policies, users can confidently use Upwork to find work or hire freelancers. Our commitment to freelancers and clients. At Upwork, we value transparency and accountability. Our policies prioritize fair deals, timely payment, and clear communication. New policies in place. All freelancers must have a verified payment method. Clients will be charged a fee for late payments. Upwork will implement a new dispute resolution process. How these policies benefit you? Upwork's 2023 policies aim to provide better work opportunities, faster payments, and improved security for freelancers worldwide. How to comply with new policies? Stay up to date with our policies to avoid account suspension. Read the policies carefully, provide accurate information, and communicate clearly with clients. Conclusion. As our moves forward into 2023, we will continue to prioritize fair and transparent policies for our freelancers and clients alike. Thank you for considering Upwork for your freelancing needs, and we look forward to continuing to provide a safe and fair platform for both clients and freelancers alike in the year to come. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.